How you doing, guys? Welcome back to 8 Days Garage. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this video. This one's going to be a short little clip. It's going to be on what's inside the box here. I've had this box with the parts for the truck for about 3 years now. I was really excited when I got these. Pretty difficult to find. Luckily, I was able to get them off eBay for a very, very reasonable price. So let me show you what they are. They are original Ford mirrors that would have came on the camper specials. I got these for $150. Normally they were about $300, anywhere around that area that I had seen on eBay at the time. So when I saw these, I had to buy them. They've just been sitting in this box this whole time, but now they're ready to go on. So let's see what that looks like. All right, guys, so taking a closer look at the door, these are the mirrors that are currently on the truck. The one on the passenger side has already been removed, but these mirrors, of course, are not correct for this model year. These, I believe, are mirrors that would go on a dent side. So these are going to get removed. I'm just going to hold on to them, making my way up this way. You can see I've already cleared up the holes where the original mirrors would have mounted. And then I also was able to locate these. Now I just need to locate the last mounting point, which is somewhere in this area. What I'm going to do is take the inner door card out, and I'm going to take a look and see if I can find that last mounting spot and get these mirrors mounted. So I got the mirror finally installed after 3 years of having them. They really changed the appearance on the truck, but also having these on here makes me wonder what these old trucks have really been through. How many different sets of mirrors this door's had on it, starting with, of course, this original type. And if we go here, you can see these two mounting holes for kind of a Ford original, those small square mirrors. And then we go down here. The ones on the left were the locations where I mounted the mirrors that I previously had on here, and then these two that I punched out were actually the wrong holes, thinking that they were those, but whatever mirror was used for that. But the mirrors look really good. I'm trying to, at the moment, loosen these up just so I can adjust the mirrors. I got this top one off. The bottom one's giving me a little bit of a fight, but I found something interesting on the passenger door, so let me show you that. The passenger side mirror is 2/3 of the way done. This bottom mounting point is the one that's giving me some issues. So let me come around the inside of the door here and I'll show you. Now I already have the door car removed, of course. You can see the original Wimbledon white there behind it, but so looking inside the door here, you can see all this mess from whatever was done previously as far as the mirrors. Not sure if this is Bondo or some sort of caulking that was used to plug some of the holes, but what's causing the issue with the mirrors now is those two nuts back there that are probably just seized on, or I'm not sure how they were retained, but we're gonna have to find a way how to break those loose. That way we can use that third mounting point and get these mirrors secured. Some progress. So I was able to get both of these off. The one on the right came off really easy. I just used the 5/16 socket and gave it a few turns and it kind of broke itself loose. The one on the left there gave me a little bit more of a fight. It brought some of the door with it. You can tell that little piece there, but that one came loose. So I got the door completely mounted. Up in this area there was a lot of Bondo. I could tell from inside the door that there was a little bit of a dent to it, so whatever had went on before, all they did was just put a thick layer of Bondo just to get the door even there and called it a day, but got both mirrors all mounted up. It really changes the appearance of the truck. I'm really happy. These are finally on after 3 years. Going over the hardware that I used to mount the mirrors for these bottom two locations, I just went to my local hardware store, picked up some stainless steel bolts, a lock washer, and a nut just to keep them secure. The top mounting location is a little bit different. Luckily I was able to find these Ford Original, not sure if you would call it a bolt, but they're original to these trucks. They were used to mount this style of mirror. So from the outside, gives it a nice clean appearance. And the reason you couldn't use a regular bolt on this is because it would interfere and hit the cab, as you can tell right there. So this is what it looks like from the back.